our video on what is DevOps. Today, we'll explore the world of DevOps and its impact on modern software development. We'll start by defining DevOps and discussing its importance. Let's get started. Welcome to our video on DevOps. In the world of software development, you may have come across the term DevOps. But what exactly does it mean? Is it a new tool or just another buzzword? Don't worry, we're about to explain this mysterious term. This video delves into the heart of DevOps, exploring its origins, principles, and practices. Now, any organization that uses software knows how crucial it is to ensure smooth operations and fast delivery. This is where DevOps comes in, a set of practices that combine development, dev, and operations, ops, to improve collaboration, speed, and quality. As a DevOps professional, you'll focus on creating a culture of continuous integration, delivery, and improvement. Defining DevOps, the concept of DevOps continues to evolve after a decade. What is DevOps? Discover the definition, origins, and core principles of DevOps in this chapter. Now, let's delve into the background and evolution of DevOps. The term DevOps was first coined in 2009 by Patrick Devops, a Belgian IT consultant, in response to the growing need for collaboration between development and operations teams. Since then, DevOps has evolved from a niche concept to a mainstream practice, adopted by organizations worldwide. Core principles and values. DevOps bridges the gap between development and operations through core principles and values. These principles emphasize collaboration, automation, continuous improvement, and high-quality software delivery. DevOps emphasizes trust, respect, and open communication between teams. Adopting DevOps principles improves the software development lifecycle, resulting in faster time to market, fewer errors, and higher customer satisfaction. Key practices and tools. DevOps relies on practices and tools to foster collaboration and efficiency. These practices and tools bridge the gap between development and operations for quick, reliable, and secure software delivery. Agile and iterative development break down large projects into smaller parts. You respond quickly to changing requirements and deliver working software. Now, let's dive into the world of DevOps. Continuous integration and delivery. Now, let's delve into the world of DevOps. Automate testing, building, and deployment with CI and CD pipelines. Every change is tested and validated before production. Iterative refinement of your CI and CD pipeline is crucial for identifying and addressing bottlenecks, optimizing workflows, and improving efficiency. Automate tasks, write better code, deliver value faster. DevOps practices offer numerous benefits to organizations. Let's delve into the key advantages. DevOps fosters a culture of transparency, trust, and open communication by breaking down silos. It leads to fewer errors, faster issue resolution, and better quality products. Collaborating and communicating between dev and ops teams is challenging, but DevOps makes it easier. Increased efficiency and productivity. Traditional software development encounters issues with errors, redundancy, and slow feedback. Automation and CI and CD pipelines streamline workflow, freeing up time for high-value activities. Automating tasks improves efficiency by reducing wait times and errors. DevOps accelerates code deployment, reducing time to market for features and bug fixes. Swift responses to customer needs give you a competitive advantage. DevOps optimizes resources, reduces waste, and fosters innovation and growth. Now that you understand DevOps and how it transforms collaboration in software delivery, you can see how it fosters a culture of continuous improvement, automation, and feedback. By adopting DevOps practices, you can streamline your workflow, reduce errors, and improve deployment speed and quality. Armed with this knowledge, you are ready to start your DevOps journey and change your organization's approach to software development. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on career path, roadmap about software developer, DevOps engineer, cloud computing, career guidance, tech industry insights, and software development tips. Thanks for watching.